Right, 19. Woohoo.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah.
And it's cloudy, very moody clouds. So we'll see if it rains today.
And up through Hockley Valley, which is a gorgeous
It's gonna
hike.
be beautiful.
Love
Black
it.
flies.
Yay.
Woohoo.
That has a lot of knowledge about what instructional design is, right? So it has all the knowledge, but it has none of the, well, it doesn't. Oh, that's cool. I think this valley is so beautiful.
And so we opened up the email, and then I said, I wonder, given some of these are some of the situations that are coming up now.
Well, if it ever goes into places where you feel uncomfortable, you say, should HR be here? You know? This was stood up for the Department of National Defense.
Mm-hmm.
And they're going to be visiting us next Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
That was funny. With the pheasant. See these ferns, Carm? Look here. It's kind of growing.
Cool. Yeah, there's different kinds.
Yeah. Specificity.
We did.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
It was
A
a
little-
gorgeous hike. This one we should do again.
Yeah, a little rainy, but there was that spot with all the forget-me-nots and oh my gosh, so beautiful. Anyway, there we go, in the books.